Hello, tonight I'm going to show you how to launch the Apple II emulator, Micron 8, and then load up RobotWar program, create a new robot by copying one of the existing ones, saving it to that disk, then saving it to a second disk, which is a blank, and that will be the one you send in when the contest is nearing. So to launch, we click the Micron 8, and for this I recommend switching to Apple II Plus. Now this program, to get to the menuing, you go move the mouse to the top left and you'll see this disk. Just click the mouse there and this menu comes up, because you're in an emulator, I guess, and I don't know why they did it this way. But so we go to the profile and switch to Apple II Plus. That's what I want to do, and that will just it matches the age of this program, and it matches the hardware we're going to run it on if we use the real computer, the real Apple II Plus. So now we take the RobotWar disk, drag that to the left hand side to the where it'll say 1. That's disk 1, and then it'll boot up. Then press enter. Return is enter. Okay. So now you're at the main menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit a robot source code, number 3. So just type 3, and now we're in this editor. So now we're going to do Control L, okay, to load an existing robot from what's in here. So use the space bar to select one. If your robot's going to be similar to one of these, this would be a good place to start rather than just an empty screen. So say I like Ralph, I'm going to load Ralph, hit enter. Now you can see some code here. So I'm going to save this under a new name, my name. So I do Control S, okay, and then start typing your name. Now definitely you need to have caps lock on here. So if you see lowercase, then turn caps lock on. If it's uppercase like this, then you're good. So hit enter, and then it asks you yes or no. Hit Y, and that's all uppercase, must be uppercase. So now we've done that. So now if you do Control L again, you'll see that Jim is indeed on the disk. So hit escape, and now what I want to do is, okay, say you've edited this and you're done, and you want to save it to the other disk, to the one that you send in. Drag Jim's robot disk, it'll be your name, you can rename it, to the left hand side, and then you see that's disk drive number 1. Now do Control S, and there won't be anything on this disk. So now type Jim, or type your name, enter. Okay, now that has saved it to the second disk, and you can verify it by doing Control L, escape to go back. Now you're done pretty much, except if you want to go back to the main program, drag RobotWar disk to the left hand side, number 1 there. Now you can do escape, Control Q, and you're back at the main menu, and you can continue from there. That's the only time you'll have to do that swapping of disks, is when you want to save it out to the second disk, the blank one. Everybody will send me that disk, that one that was originally blank. Alright, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.